Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I finally put the numbers together and I'll let you know how much this 2020 Jeep Gladiator cost us. Actually, to get this Jeep was probably the hardest because they just came out in 2020, and every time you see one at the auction, people are just throwing money. So it was pretty tough one. We had to play smart and careful not to just buy one, but to get one with a good price. We got the truck from New York and we're in California, so that's miles and miles away. But yeah, the damage wasn't too bad. It did have frame damage a little bit. The steering wheel airbag was deployed and we got a brand new one. All the parts I got was from the dealer, because with a new car it was hard to find at the junkyards or anywhere. But if you, I have everything in the in my channel, so if you guys didn't see the videos, go ahead and watch if you like to. But other than that, the car is complete, it's perfect, it's 100%, so we're really happy about this build. All right, so we're ready for some numbers. Well, we got this one from a corporate auction for 21,000, and I played a lot of them before this one, and all of them, even with more damages, they were going for way more. This one we got lucky, and like I mentioned before, the damage wasn't even bad. We paid 1,500 for the towing to get the truck from New York to California. All the parts I bought it from the dealer, and I'll name a few of them: the airbag, steering wheel airbag, the driver's side fender, fender liner, the blinker, radiator support, and some more little plastic like that. But I put everything in just one number, so all that was 3,000. $3,000 for all the little parts. I bought the hood and the grill that a lot of people love it, for $800. The hood and the grill, $800. I bought a Rubicon Express lift kit and Hawks shocks, and the total for the lift kit was 2,600. That's with tax and everything. And they're the nice ones because you can easily disconnect the sway bar when you go off-road. That's 3.5-inch lift kit. I got the wheels and tires altogether was 2,400. They're the black Rhino wheels with Toyo tires, and they're 37s, 13.5 wide and 18-inch wheels. And I do love those wheels and the tires. It makes big difference from the stock. The stock are really small ones. Now when we got the truck, the damage was on this side over here. It didn't look bad, but actually we did have a frame damage, which was a easy fix, but I still had to pay $1,000 for the framework. There was some adjusting to do, and they use lasers and who knows what to make everything perfect. And now when I drive, it just drives straight, doesn't pull you to the side, or it was professionally done. All we have to paint was the driver's side fender and this big hood and the plastics from inside and outside, because both of them are new. So I paid $400 for the paint job. I bought the Smitty Build winch for $300. And if you guys remember, on one of my videos we went off-road and I kind of got stuck on the belly. My wheels are in the air, and actually thanks to the winch I got out with $300. The bumper cost me $600. Also Smitty-built bumper. It's a really nice one because when we were using the winch, there was a lot of pressure on this bumper and that thing was a beast. It wouldn't move. You just pulled the whole truck. I got the headlights, aftermarket headlights, for $230 and they're really, really strong. I love the headlights. Another view of the headlights with the running lights on. Circles, I love it. But yeah, driving this thing on nighttime, people are getting pissed because the truck is a little high and it's really bright and everybody thinks I'm driving with the high beams on. $60 for the D-rings. And the reason I went with this kind, they're heavy duty D-rings, but if you look at the design on the D-rings and the design on the bumper, they match pretty good. And a little red on the black, it looks good. So $60 for the D-rings. I paid $40 for the LED bars, which one it's inside over here. It fits just perfect. And two of them are in this corner. And I'll show you guys how I connected them. I connected directly to the buttons that had them inside. So everything is wired from the factory, and you just find the wires under the hood or anywhere else, and you just choose which one you wanna connect to, which I did 3 and 4. So there is the light bars right there and right here, and trust me, they're really bright when it's dark. Now the vinyl wrap, we paid $650 for the vinyl, just for the material. We did the work ourselves. We also have the video on the channel. If you guys like to see it, go ahead, feel free. It's a Avery, one of the best, Avery 3M, they're both good. It's pearl green, and in person, this color, it's so much better than what you see through the camera, because it's pearl, and then especially when the sun hits it, it's really, really nice. And of course I had to add some black, and I think it looks so much better because of the black roof and fender flares, black wheels. It looks really nice. There is few comments that a lot of people, they like the original color better, but the good thing about this vinyl, you can peel it anytime you want it. Like for now, it's good to have it, especially if you go off-road. It doesn't scratch as fast as the paint, and you kind of keep the paint clean and nice under, and it's easy to pull it. That's $650 for the vinyl. The windshield came broken, and it cost me $250 to change the windshield. I paid $40 to fill up the AC, $190 to reset the seat belt, because after the accident it was stuck, it wouldn't work, and now it does. And by the way, that's the original color. We didn't want to go inside with the green because it looks good like that. We paid $80 for the alignment to make this truck drive nice and straight. They adjust everything because we did the lift kit ourselves, but the alignment, you gotta take it to a professional when they use machines and read everything perfect. And this was everything on this truck. Now the total of the 2020 Jeep Gladiator that we got it from corporate auction with a salvage title, it cost us $35,140. So for $35,000, with all the upgrades that we did, that's a perfect price, and that's everything. Right, so that was the price on the Gladiator. And if you would be keeping this truck stock the way it was with the original color and original wheels, lift kit, we probably would be spending 28,000, because what we did, it's 600 something for the vinyl, that's extra. 5,000, that's the lift kit with the wheels, the bumper, it's 600, and all the little things like LED lights and headlights, the grill, the hood and grill is another $800. So a stock truck like this would have cost us $28,000 complete. All right guys, this is it for today's video. Please like and share our video, subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Instagram. It's a Custom Auto Builds. I even have it right there, Custom Auto Builds. And I'll catch you guys later.